Hello friends, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening,
Good
sir.
evening, sir.
Good evening,
Good
sir.
evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Come on guys, fast. Switch on the videos. Everyone. Bhargav, Ananya, Bhargavi, Amit, Bhavani, Raksha, Ramani, Ramesh, Pavan, all. Fast. What did we discuss in the last class?
Sir, we were doing problems,
Problems on?
this one,
Quadratic equation.
quadral
Quadratic
equation.
equation.
Very good, Adrut. You attended completely then, last class. So, what did we solve? What did we discuss in quadratic equations? We solved the good amount of problems where there were some standard problems also which we discussed, and the entire exercise F we had discussed. Correct? We had to start with exercise G if I'm not wrong. Till here, everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Fine then. So we'll go to exercise G. In exercise G, page number 2.21, question number 1. Very good, Lahari. Correct. Ganavi, correct. Jeevan, correct. Chetan, go have to recheck. Others, are we solving? Pranav Pai, correct. Nandita, but you have to recheck. Nandita, correct. Yes, Sahana, correct. Pranav Hegde, correct. First question, Amit. It's the one that is there on the screen. Ramani, correct. Prapti, correct. Adrut, you have to recheck. Rachna, correct. Okay. We'll discuss the answer. Yeah, what was the question? A plus B minus 2C into x square plus 2A minus B minus C into x plus C plus A minus 2B is equal to 0. Right? That's the equation that they have given us. Now, how do we simplify this equation? So, to simplify this equation, factorization obviously we cannot do. Right? Applying the formula is better. formula is better. What is the formula? Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Do you remember this formula?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Fine. So here this is A, Bhargavi, this is B, and this is C. Correct? So here B and 2A is easy, but computing b square minus 4ac, that too inside the brackets is difficult. Correct? So what I'll do, I'll first calculate b square minus 4ac outside. Okay, once I calculate b square minus 4ac, b is 2a minus b minus c the whole square minus 4 into a plus b minus 2c into c plus a minus 2b. Okay, b square minus 4 into a into c. So how do I simplify this? 2a minus b minus c the whole square. How do I simplify this? I can consider this as a and this as b. Then it will be a minus b the whole square.
Yes, sir.
So what is a minus b the whole square formula?
A square plus
A
b
square plus b
Square
square
plus
minus
b
2a.
square minus
square
2a.
plus 2ab.
A square plus a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a square is 2a minus b the whole square plus b square is c square minus 2 into 2a minus b into c. Correct? 2ab. A square plus b square minus 2ab minus 4 times, or I'll first multiply this. I get 4a minus 4b. Okay, no, I have taken minus outside, no? So it has to be plus 4b. 4a plus 4b minus 8c multiplied by c plus a minus 2b, which would be, again, this is a minus b the whole square format, 4a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b plus c square minus, what is this? 2 into 2a into c. How much do I get here? No, it should be 2a into b, right? Yeah. 2 into 2a into b is 4ab minus, now multiply this. How much do we get if I multiply those? 4a into c is 4ac. 4a into a is 4a square. 4a into minus 2b is minus 8ab. 4b into c is 4bc. 4b into a is 4ab. And 4b into minus 2b is minus 8b square. Minus 8c into c is minus 8c square. Minus 8c into a is minus 8ac. Minus 8c into minus 2b. Minus into minus plus 8 2s are 16 bc or cb. Okay, this entire thing inside the bracket. Why I'm keeping it inside the bracket? Because I have negative here. I have to open the bracket by considering that negative. So we get 4a square plus b square minus 2 into 2 is 4. 4ab plus c square minus 4ab minus into minus is, sorry, minus into plus is minus 4ac minus 4a square plus 8ab minus 4bc minus 4ab minus into minus plus 8b square minus into minus plus 8c square minus into minus plus 8ac minus 16bc. Okay, this is what we get. If you look at this here, 4a square minus 4a square gets cancelled. Minus 4ab is minus 8ab. We have plus 8ab here. It gets cancelled. Then anything else get cancelled?
No, sir.
No?
The
4b
minus 4BC and then the last term
minus 4bc and this is 16bc, no?
Yeah, so you can just write that as minus 20BC.
That we will write. So anything that gets cancelled here, b square, c square, 4ac, 4ab, 8b square, 8c square, 8ac. Did you miss anything?
Sir, minus 4AC 8.
minus 4AB.
We have minus 4AC, no?
Plus 8AC.
Okay, wait. I think this was 2 here. This was 2AB, 2 into B. This was correct.
Sir, in the
Then
next,
in the next step, this was
sir, it should be multiple.
what happened, Sana?
Sir, I got confused, sir.
Okay.
2,
No, I think somewhere we have missed this. This is not correct, is what I feel. Anyhow, we'll see.
Sir, in the
Right.
Yes, Ramani.
Minus 4AB square. Sir, minus 4AB square, right? Like
B
B is
square.
A into
Wait, this one
Yes.
is 2A, 2 into A into B. So 4AB.
Sir, no. It is
Sir,
2 into
it's
2
2 into
A minus B.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
This is where we have
Into
gone wrong.
yes.
A minus B into C. Correct. This is what we should have.
But she's
Yes.
saying about the second step. Below that, there is 4AB, and in the bracket is 4AB.
Correct. No, this I'll change. Here, this should be.
4AC minus B.
I'll
B.
simplify this.
B.
Yeah, I'll
Yes.
simplify this here and then I'll bring it here. So this would be 2 into 2 is 4A minus 2B into C. Correct?
Yes, sir.
I've just multiplied by 2. Then 4A into C is 4AC. 2B into C is minus 2BC. But this comes inside negative. So minus into 4AC minus into minus plus 2BC. Is that clear?
yes, sir.
Did I make
Yes,
sense?
sir.
Should I repeat this? No? Understood? So, if that is the case, here what happens? Instead of me writing, I'll rewrite this better. If I rewrite this, what happens? I get 4A square plus B square minus 4AB plus C square minus 4AC plus 2BC. Correct? Minus 4AC plus 2BC minus 4AC minus 4A square plus 8AB minus 4BC minus 4AB minus into minus plus 8B square minus into minus plus 8C square minus into minus plus 8AC minus into plus minus 16BC. This everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now what happens? 4A square minus 4A square, that was always there. Minus 4AB is minus 8AB. That and plus 8AB gets cancelled. Minus 4AC is minus 8AC. That and plus 8AC cancelled. I don't think so. Anything else will get cancelled. Okay, now we have to add up. B square plus C square. And so, no. B square plus 8B square is 9B square. Plus C square plus 8C square is 9C square. Then 2BC minus 4BC minus 16BC. How much do we get?
Minus 18BC.
Minus 18BC. Everyone? So here, if I take 9 common, I get B square plus C square minus 2BC.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Now, what is this? B square plus C square minus 2BC, simplified version of that.
B minus C minus
B minus C whole square.
Very good. 9 into B minus C the whole square. Correct? So here, can I write 9 as 3 square?
Yes.
3 square into B minus C the whole square? Or can I straight away write it as 3 into B minus C the whole square? Correct? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Into B minus C is what? 3B minus 3C the whole square. Okay, I've just opened the brackets. Now, which option is correct?
Sir, we have not did the problem till.
Very good. So what we have found out here, after so much efforts, we have
B
just
square.
found out B square minus 4AC. Right? That's a part of the formula. B square minus 4AC is only is the only thing that we have found out. Now we can substitute, we'll get the answer quickly. Okay, in the formula, I'll do it in the next slide. What is B value? 2a minus b minus c. Correct? So minus of 2a minus b minus c plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac is 3b minus 3c the whole square. That's what we did. Whole divided by 2 into, what is a value? A plus b minus 2c. A plus b minus 2c. Correct? This is what we get. Simplify. Minus 2a plus b plus c plus or minus. What is this simplified value?
Sir, 3b minus 3a.
3b minus 3c. Yeah, this is 3c. Square root and square gets cancelled. We get 3b minus 3c whole divided by 2a plus 2b minus 4c. Correct? So what does this mean? It has two roots. One root is minus 2a plus b plus c plus 3b minus 3c divided by 2a plus 2b minus 4c. The other root is minus 2a plus b plus c minus 3b minus into minus plus 3c divided by 2a plus 2b minus 4c. So simplify. In the numerator, we get minus 2a, b plus 3b is 4b, c minus 3c is minus 2c divided by 2a plus 2b minus 4c. So further simplification, even though I take 2 common also, it won't be possible here. So I'll leave at that point. Whereas here, if I simplify, minus 2a, b minus 2b, 3b is minus 2b, c plus 3c is plus 4c divided by 2a plus 2b minus 4c. So in this, the numerator, if I take minus 1 common in the numerator, what I get? 2a plus 2b minus 4c divided by 2a plus 2b minus 4c. Both gets cancelled. So what is the root here? Minus 1. So the two roots are minus 1 and this. In the option, since we have minus 1, that is the answer. Are we clear? Yes. Write this down. Later, we will also discuss an easier way of solving this. Even writing?
Yes, sir.
So what is the first one after cancellation? Before 9b
After
square?
cancellation. No, this I scratched. That's not there. Once this is done, let me know. I'll show the next slide. Anyone still writing?
No.
Yes.
Okay. Complete this as well. Done. Okay, fine. So another way, especially when such kind of questions are asked in the examination, we are not solving it. Okay, we are not solving it the way we have done here. We are just going with option elimination method. Okay, so what we have to do in option elimination method? Just test this option. X is equal to 1. If I test it, a plus b minus 2c into 1 square is 1 plus 2a minus b minus c into 1 plus c plus a minus 2b. This should be equal to 0. If that is equal to 0, then the x value satisfies, correct? So a plus b minus 2c plus 2a minus b minus c plus c plus a minus 2b. C and minus c gets cancelled. Then we have a plus 2a plus a 4a. B and minus b gets cancelled. Minus 2b minus 2c. Is this equal to 0?
No, sir.
So option A is wrong. Whereas I will try option B, minus 1, which happens to be the right answer. That's what we got, correct? Into minus 1 the whole square is again 1 plus 2a minus b minus c into minus 1 plus c plus a minus 2b. So minus 1 the whole square is 1. A plus b minus 2c. 2a into minus 1 is minus 2a. Minus b into minus 1 is plus b. Minus c into minus 1 is plus c. Plus c plus a minus 2b. So here a plus a is 2a. Minus 2a gets cancelled. B plus b is 2b. Minus 2b gets cancelled. C plus c is 2c. Minus 2c gets cancelled. This is equal to 0. Hence, this is the right answer. Okay, that's how we can do it. Even if you test x is equal to 2 and minus 2, you will not get 0 as the answer. Therefore, they are not the correct answers. Are we fine? Are we clear with this? Yes.
sir.
Okay, so those are done with this. Can we come to question number 3? Ganavi correct? Jeevan correct. Nandita Bhatt, you have to recheck. Vikram correct. Prapti correct. Lahari Acharya correct. Adrut correct. Amit correct. Pranav Pai, we are solving question number 3.
Okay, sir.
Nandita correct. Dhanush Hegde, you have to recheck. Ramani, correct. So the values of x in this equation, that is what we are supposed to find out. What is the equation? We have 7 times x plus 2p the whole square plus 5p square is equal to 35xp plus 117p square. Right? This is what we have. Now, how do I simplify this? A plus b the whole square formula. A square plus b square plus 2 into a into b plus 5p square is equal to 35xp plus 117p square. 7 into x square is 7x square. 7 fours are 28p square. 7 into 2, so 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 7 is 28. X into p, xp plus 5p square equals 35xp plus 117p square. So bring both here. What happens? 7x square plus 28 plus 5 is 33p square plus 28xp minus 35xp minus 117p square is equal to 0. 7x square is retained. 33 minus 117. Okay. Before that, we'll first write xp. 28 minus 35 is minus 7 xp. What is 33 minus 117?
Minus 84.
84.
Minus 84 p square. So here, what is the variable?
X.
What is
X.
p then?
Constant.
Constant.
Very good. xp is the constant there. Excellent. So if that is the case, I'll just directly apply the formula. What is a value here?
7.
7.
7. What is b value?
Minus 7p.
Excellent. Minus 7p, right? X is the variable, minus 7p is the constant there. Coefficient of x. Then what is c?
Minus 84p square.
Very good. Minus 84p square. So the value of x is, rather, we know the formula. Every time, don't miss, every time write the formula. Every time write the formula so that we need not put in additional efforts to remember it. Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a minus of minus 7p plus or minus root of minus 7p the whole square minus 4 into 7 into minus 84p square whole divided by 2 into 7. That is 7p plus or minus root of 7 square is 49. So 49p square minus into minus plus 4 into 7 is 28. What is 28 into 84?
Uh, 2352.
2352. Very good. 2352p square whole divided by 14. 7p plus or minus root of. What is this?
The 2303.
2303?
2401.
This is not minus, this is plus. Correct. 2401. 2401p square divided by 14. That is 7p plus or minus. What is square root of 2401?
49.
Very good. 49 square root of p square?
P.
P divided by 14. So the roots would be 7p plus 49p by 14 or 7p minus 49p by 14. 7 plus 49 is 56p by 14. 14 ones are, 14 fours are, we get 4p as the root here. 7 minus 49 is minus 42p by 14. 14 ones are, 14 threes are, minus 3p. Is that clear? Everyone following?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Anyone writing this?
Done, sir.
Done. Very good. Everyone done?
So one
Yes,
second.
sir.
Wait.
Someone is writing. Yeah. Right. No problem.
Sir,
Yeah.
can you do the second one?
Can we do the second one? Yes, we'll solve. Samriddhi, completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So I'll quickly go back to second one. This is easy. Roots of the equation exceeds the other by 4, then the value of m. So if I consider, since we already have x, I'll consider the root as y, one root as y. What would be the other root?
Y plus
Nine.
4.
Y
Very good.
plus 4.
Y plus 4, correct? That's the other root. So we have to find the value of m. If we do this, what is the sum of the roots? Y plus 4. It's 2y plus 4. It's 2y plus 4. And what is the product?
Y square
Y square
plus
plus 4y.
4y.
Okay, we'll do that. Y into y plus 4 is what we get. Do we require really that? We'll see. Now, using this, what is the sum? Sum of the roots is minus b by a. What is b? Minus 8. Minus of minus 8 by a is 1. We get plus 8. So, direct. 2y plus 4 is 8. 2y will be 8 minus 4, 4. So, y is 2.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
So
Now,
yes, sir.
do we require y? The answer is no. If y is 2, what are the roots?
2 and 6.
2 and y plus 4, 6. Excellent. 2 and 6 are the roots. We want m. M is there in C part. So for that, product of the roots, here product of the root is C by A. What is the value of C? M. What is the value of A? 1. So can I say product of the roots is m?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we know the roots 2 and 6. What is their product? Actual product?
12.
12. Product of the roots is m. So m is 12. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Can we come to question number 5? That's one more interesting one. Dhanush correct. Vikram correct. Jeevan correct. Ganavi correct. Faiza, I have to recheck. Adrut, correct. Lahari Acharya, correct. Prapti, correct. Nandita Bhatt, correct. Pranav Pai, correct. Rachna, correct. Sahana, correct. Ramani, correct. Okay, we'll discuss this. Yes, Sriram, correct. Annapurna Nayak, correct. So what have they given us? 1 by P plus 1 by Q plus 1 by X is equal to 1 divided by P plus Q plus X. That is what they have given us. So here what will I do? I'll send 1 by X this side. If I send that on the LHS, I get 1 by P plus 1 by Q is equal to 1 divided by P plus Q plus X minus 1 by X. This is what we get here. So 1 by P plus 1 by Q, PQ LCM Q plus P is equal to P plus Q plus X and X. I take X into P plus Q plus X as LCM. We get X minus of P plus Q plus X. So, upon simplification, Q plus P can be written as P plus Q divided by PQ equals X minus P minus Q minus X divided by X into P plus Q plus X. X minus X gets cancelled. P plus Q divided by PQ is equal to minus P minus Q. Can I write it as minus of P plus Q? Yeah, divided by X into P plus Q plus X. So here P plus Q and P plus Q gets cancelled. That leaves us with 1 divided by PQ equals minus 1 divided by X into P plus Q plus X. So what will I do? Cross multiply. X into P plus Q plus X is equal to PQ into minus 1 minus PQ. Here, I'll open the brackets X into P plus X into Q plus X square is equal to PQ. So if I bring this minus PQ this side, I get plus PQ is equal to 0. So I'll bring these two together where I have X, X square plus XP plus XQ plus PQ equals 0. So here I can take X common and write X plus P. Here I can take Q common and write X plus P equal to 0. I can take X plus P common, X plus P into X plus Q equals 0. If X plus P equals 0 or X plus Q equals 0, we get X is equal to minus P, X is equal to minus Q. X equals minus P and X equals minus Q. So option B, minus P and minus Q is the answer. Is that clear? Anyone writing this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, complete. Done.
Just a second.
Yeah, no problem.
Done, sir.
Yeah, everyone, come to question number 7. Very good. G1 correct. Vikram correct. Naveen Gowda correct. No Adrit. Lahari correct. Dhanush Hegde correct. Prapti correct. Ganavi correct. Kushal correct. Very good. Annapurna Nayak correct. Bhargavi incorrect. Nandita correct. Ramani correct. Okay, we'll solve this. Nandita but correct. Now we have square root of 2x square plus 5x minus 2 minus square root of 2x square plus 5x minus 9 is equal to 1. Right, that's what we have. Now, how do I further simplify this? If I take square on both sides, it will be 2. It will be a mess. A minus b the whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab formula. Right. So, what I will do, if you observe here I have 2x square plus 5x. Here also I have 2x square plus 5x. So, I will consider 2x square plus 5x as any other variable. Okay, I'll consider it as y. If I consider it as y, what happens? Y minus 2 minus root of y minus 9 equals 1. I'll send this root of y minus 9 the other side. Root of y minus 2 equals 1 plus root of y minus 9. Now square on both sides. Now if I square on both sides, square root of y minus 2 becomes y minus 2 equals. Here this is 1 plus root of y minus 9 the whole square. A plus b the whole square formula. y minus 2 equals a square plus b square is y minus 9 plus 2 into a into b. That's what we get. Y minus 2 equals 1 plus, okay, sorry. 1 minus 9 is minus 8, right? So I can directly write y minus 8 plus 2 root y minus 9. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So can I send these two on to LHS? We get y minus 2 minus y plus 8 equals 2 times root y minus 9. Y and minus y gets cancelled. 8 minus 2, 6. 2 times y minus 9. So, square root of y minus 9 will be, if I send 2 the other side, 6 by 2, which is 3. Square root of y minus 9 is 3. Now square on both sides. We get y minus 9 equals 3 square, 9 minus 9 the other side, y equals 9 plus 9, 18. Substitute y as 18 here. We get 2x square plus 5x is equal to 18, or 2x square plus 5x minus 18 equals 0. Now we have a quadratic equation. 18 twos are 36. Its sum should be 5. What are the roots? What are the factors rather?
4 and 9.
4 and 9? 9 minus 4,
Yes,
correct?
sir.
Yeah, 9x minus 4x minus 18 is equal to 0. Here I have to take x common. 2x plus 9 minus 2 common. 2x plus 9 equals 0. 2x plus 9, if I take it as common, x minus 2 equals 0. So we get 2x. Okay, I'll write it here. I get 2x plus 9 equals 0, or x minus 2 equals 0. We get 2x is equal to minus 9. X is minus 9 by 2, or x as 2. Okay, x is minus 9 by 2 and 2. Clear? Anyone writing this? No one writing? Everyone completed? Okay, fine then. So I'm presuming everyone have completed. I'll come to the next question, that is question number 10. One more interesting question. L minus m by 2, the L minus m by 2 into x square, L plus m by 2 into x plus m equals 0. Very good, Jeevan. Correct answer. Very good, Vikram. Correct. Adrut, correct. Lahari Acharya, correct. 10th one, Ramani. Question number 10. Yeah, Nandita, correct. Bhargavi, incorrect. Ganavi, correct. Prapti, correct. Sunil Kumar and Nachiket, correct answers. Annapurna Nayak, correct. No, Naveen, you have to recheck. Okay, we'll discuss the answer for this. Now, what is the question? L minus m by 2 into x square minus L plus m by 2 into x plus m equals 0. Right? This is the question. So what I will do is, to simplify this, I'll apply the formula itself. Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus equal to 0. Yeah, equal to 0. I've told. That's a typo given there in the question. C is a constant. We cannot simplify it later, correct? So here, again, I'll apply minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a formula. In that again, b square minus 4ac is a big calculation. So first I'll simplify that. B square minus 4ac. B is minus of L plus m by 2, the whole square, minus 4 into L minus m by 2, A into C is m. So here, if I simplify this, L plus m by 2 minus of L plus m by 2 the whole square will be L plus m the whole square divided by 2 square 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are minus 2 into L into m is Lm minus m square. L plus m the whole square will be nothing but L square plus m square plus 2Lm divided by 4 equals 2Lm minus 2m square. So I'll take 4 LCM. L square plus m square plus 2Lm minus 4 2s are 8Lm minus into minus plus 4 2s are 8m square. L square plus 8 plus 1 9m square plus 2 minus 8 is minus 6Lm divided by 4. Okay, this is what we get. Now, if you look at the numerator, what is this?
L minus 3m whole square.
Excellent. L minus 3m the whole square divided by 4. L square plus 9m square minus 2 into 3, 6Lm. Correct? So, this is what? This is the final answer?
No, sir.
No, sir. B square
That is
minus
b
4.
square minus 4ac, correct? So, minus b, minus of minus L plus m by 2 plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac is L minus 3m the whole square divided by 4 divided by 2 into L minus m by 2. Minus into minus is plus L plus m by 2 plus or minus L minus 3m the whole square will become L minus 3m. 4 root of 4 becomes 2 divided by 2 and 2 gets cancelled. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. We get L minus m. In the numerator, take 2 LCM. L plus m plus or minus L minus 3m whole divided by L minus m. So here, can I push that 2 to the denominator? Totally, and say 2 times L minus m?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So we have two roots. One root is L plus m plus L minus 3m whole divided by 2 times L minus m. L and L is 2L minus 2m, right? M minus 3m divided by 2 times L minus m. So here in the numerator, I can take 2 common and write L minus m. Denominator is also 2 times L minus m. We get 1 as the answer, 1 as the root. The other root, L plus m minus L minus into plus minus plus 3m divided by 2 times L minus m. L and L gets cancelled. 3m plus m is 4m divided by 2 times L minus m. 2 ones are 2 twos are 2m divided by L minus m. So 1 and 2m divided by L minus m are the roots. Option A is the answer. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Complete this. Yeah, complete this. Anyone writing?
Yes.
Yeah, complete.
Sir,
Yes, Jivan.
sir, normal method only we can get fast.
Huh. Normal in the sense?
Normal product and addition.
Okay. Yeah, I think that will be easier. Yes. Or
Yes, sir.
rather quicker. Yeah. So you mean you take 2 LCM and simplify. That's the one that you're talking about, right?
Yes, sir. M into A into C, it will come, sir. Minus A into minus C. Adding both, it will come B. Minus.
Okay. Done. Anyone writing? No. Okay, fine. So move on. With that, we are done with this exercise. Okay, so further, like simultaneous equations, we have some application-based questions, wherein they'll give us a scenario. We need to convert that scenario into equations. Shall we do that? Yeah. Before we look into the exercise, we'll solve some example questions to get used to it. First question, first example. Difference between a number and its positive square root. And its positive square root. Difference between a number and its positive square root is 12. Find the number.
So can you repeat?
Yeah, I'll repeat. Difference between a number and its positive square root is 12. Find the numbers. No, Pranav, you have to recheck. Sharat, but also I think you have to recheck. They're asking us to find the number. Difference between a number and its positive square root is 12. Yes, Naveen, very good. Ganavi, correct. No, Sahana. That's not the final answer. Yes, Pranav, correct. Lahari Acharya, correct. No, Dhanush. No, Nandita, but Faiza, correct. No, Ramani, that's not the final answer. Yes, Sahana, now correct. No, Annapurna Nayak, that's not the final answer. Dhanush Hegde, correct. Yes, Annapurna, now correct. Rapti, correct. Nachiket, that's not the final answer. Ramesh, correct. Nandita, but correct. Yes, Nachiket, correct. Yes, Ramani, correct. Jeevan, partly correct. Fine. Now, what have they told us? Difference between a number and its positive square root is 12. If I consider that number as x, what would be its square root?
Square x.
Root x. Difference between a number and its positive square root is 12. This is the equation. Correct? This is the equation that we get. Now, how do I simplify this equation? I will consider root x as y. If I consider root x as y, x is nothing but root x the whole square.
Yes, sir.
So this becomes y square minus y is equal to 12, or if you bring 12 this side, minus 12 equal to 0. This is the equation that I get. What are the factors here? I should get minus 1 as the sum and minus 12 as the product.
So minus 4 plus 3.
Very good. Y square minus 4y plus 3y minus 12 equals 0. Y into y minus 4 plus 3 into y minus 4 equals 0. Y minus 4 into y plus 3 equals 0. So y minus 4 equals 0. Y plus 3 equals 0. Y equals 4. Y equals minus 3. So what is y? Square root of x. So root x is 4, root x is minus 3. Now, can a square root be negative?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Then, why do we say square root of 4 can be plus 2 as well as minus 2?
Sir, it can. Square can't be.
It can be negative, but in this question, can it be? The answer is no, because it has
No, sir.
specifically told positive square root. Correct? It has specifically told positive square root. So we have to take root x is equal to 4. Root x is equal to, if root x is equal to 4, I'll just take square on both sides. X will be 4 square 16. So what is that number? That number is 16 minus its positive square root is 12. Are we clear?
Yes.
Yes. That is question, example 1, question number 1. Anyone making a note of this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, complete.
More poem.
Sir, how did you get y square, sir?
How did we get y square? Yes. See, if I consider root x as y, okay, if I consider root x as y, x is nothing but root x the whole square. What is root x? Y. So x can be written as y square.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Done.
Sir, my doubt is, in which
Yeah.
other scenarios can we take we have taken variable y? Which other scenarios can we take an other variable? Like in here we took for square positive or
Correct. See, normally when we have something inside the square root where if simplification becomes difficult, right? Those are the cases where we go with y. Normally inside the square root only, we go with another variable. Okay, that's what we have been doing, right? In the other problems also, that's how normal. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Minus Nandita, but x minus root x is equal to 12. How did you get the next step?
Where I transposed root x to the RHS and 12 to the LHS.
Okay, then it will be x minus 12 is equal to root x.
Yeah.
Now you are telling to take square on both sides.
Yeah.
Correct? Then this will be x minus 12 the whole square and this will be x, not x square.
Okay.
Correct?
Yeah.
Yes. So this also can be done. Then it will be x square plus 144 minus 24x equals x. Bring this here. X square, 24x only, right? Yeah. Minus 23x plus 144 equals 0. Simplifying this also, we'll get it.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes. Okay. Can we look into one more question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Write down. A piece of iron rod. A piece of iron rod cost rupees 60. Cost rupees 60. Full stop. If the rod was 2 meters shorter, if the rod was 2 meters shorter and each meter cost rupees 1 more, if the rod was 2 meters shorter and each meter cost rupees 1 more, the cost would remain unchanged. The cost would remain unchanged. Full stop. What is the length of the rod? What is the length of the rod? Yes, Jeevan, correct. What is your question, Ramesh? I didn't get you.
Sir, that you told no, sir. Each meter cost rupees 1/4 or 14.
Rupees one more.
Okay, sir.
Each meter cost rupees one more. Yeah. Yes, Lahari Acharya, correct. No, Kushal. Vikram, correct. Dhanush Hegde, correct. Ganavi, correct. Prapti, correct. Annapurna Nayak, correct. What is that, Pranav? Just recheck.
Sir, I didn't know what you were asking, so I sent both. Whatever I found.
Okay. What am I asking? What was the last part of the question? What is the length of the rod? Yes, Ramani, correct. One of that is the correct answer, Pranav there. Gangotri, correct. Yes, Pranav, correct. Yes, Sahana, correct. Naveen, correct. Shreya, correct. Nandita, correct. Bhavani, correct. Fine. We'll discuss how are we getting this. Now, what are they telling us? Piece of iron rod costs 60 rupees. So total cost of that iron rod is 60 rupees. So if I consider the length of the rod as x meters, what would be the cost per meter?
60 by
X by 60.
60 by x.
Sorry, sir.
Correct, Sana? 60 by x. So cost per liter is 60 by x. If the rod was 2 meters shorter, what would be the length?
60 by x minus
X minus 2 meters. Correct? X minus 2 meters. Each meter cost rupees 1 more. So presently each meter is costing 60 by x. 1 rupee more means it will be 60 by x plus 1. Even in this case, what are they telling us? Cost would remain unchanged. So if this is the per unit cost, if this is the total length, what would be the total cost?
60.
60.
No, in the sense, how do I get the total cost here? 60 I know. If this is the length and if this is the per unit, how do I get the total cost?
Multiply those two.
Yes, x minus 2 into 60 by x plus 1 will be equal to 60. Total cost remain unchanged. Everyone
Yes, sir.
following? Others?
yes.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So please explain again.
Yes, that's why I'm asking, right? You should ask. So they are telling total cost. Am I audible? Yeah, total cost is 60. Okay, if I consider the length as x meters, cost per meter is 60 by x.
Yes.
Now, They are telling if the length is 2 meters shorter. In that case, what would be the total length? X minus 2 meters question.
Yes, sir.
And they are telling cost per meter will be more by 1 rupees. So presently, if 60 by X is the cost, more by 1 rupee means 60 by X plus 1.
Yes, sir.
Now, cost per unit I have, total length I have, total cost will be cost per unit into total length.
Yes, sir.
That equals 60 because they have told total cost remain unchanged.
Yes, sir.
So, X minus 2 into 60 by X plus 1 equals 60. So here, if I can send X minus 2 the other side, 60 by X plus 1 equals 60 divided by X minus 2. 60 divided by X minus 2. Now, how do I further simplify this? I will send this also to RHS. Then what happens? 60 divided by X minus 2 minus 60 divided by X is 1. I can take X into X minus 2 as LCM. I get 60X minus 60 into X minus 2 equals 1. 60X minus 60X minus into minus is plus. 62s are 120 is equal to X into X minus 2 equals 1. 60X minus 60X gets cancelled. If I cross multiply, I get X into X minus 2 equals 120. X into X minus 2 is 120. X square, X into X is X square, minus 2X equals 120. So X square minus 2X minus 120 is equal to 0. Do we get the factors here?
Yes,
I
sir.
think we get
So 10
minus
by
12 and plus.
Minus 10.
Yeah, correct. 12 and plus, minus 12 and plus 10. X square minus 12X plus 10X minus 120 equals 0. So we get X into X minus 12 plus 10 into X minus 12 equals 0. So X minus 12 common, X plus 10 equals 0. We get X minus 12 equals 0 or X plus 10 equals 0. X is equal to 12, X is equal to minus 10. Pranav, can we have X as minus 10?
No.
No, because what is X? X is the length of the rod. Length of the rod cannot be negative. So X has to be 12. So 12 meters is the answer. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Complete this. Anyone still writing? Yeah, complete. Done? Okay. If that's the case, can we take one more example? example, divide 25 into two parts. 25 into two parts so that sum of their reciprocals is 1 by 6. Sum of their reciprocals is 1 by 6. Very good. Jeevan, correct? Lahari, correct? Kushal, correct? Vikram, correct. Ganvi, correct? Prapti, correct? Nandita, correct? Gangotri, correct? Pranav, correct? Annapurna Nayak, correct? No Rachana. Pranav Hegde, correct? Suman, correct? Dhanush Hegde, correct? Okay, we'll discuss this. No Sahana. Ramesh, correct? Yes. Now, what are they telling us? They have given us 25 and they're asking us to divide 25 into two parts, such that sum of the reciprocal is 1 by 6. Correct? Yes, Ramani. Correct answer. So, how do we simplify this? Now, if I consider the first part of 25 as x, what would be the other part?
25 minus x.
25 minus x.
25 minus x. So these two parts, the sum of these two parts reciprocal is 1 by 6. So how do I get the equation? 1 by x plus 1 by 25 minus x equals 1 by 6.
Yes.
Yes. How do I simplify this? I'll take LCM. X into 25 minus x equals 25 minus x plus x equals 1 by 6. X and minus x gets cancelled. 25 divided by x into 25 minus x is equal to 1 by 6. Cross multiply. X into 25 minus x is equal to 25 into 6. How much?
150.
150. Very good. So open the brackets. 25x minus x square is equal to 150. Bring both into RHS. We get how much? X square minus 25x plus 150 is equal to 0. What are the two factors? Product being 150, sum as 25. Guys,
Minus 15 and minus 10.
Minus 15.
Minus 15 and minus 10. Very good. X square minus 15x minus 10x plus 150 equals 0. X into x minus 15 minus 10 into x minus 15 equals 0. X is x in, sorry, x, I'll take x minus 15 common. X minus 15 into x minus 10 equals 0. So we get x is equal to 15 or x is equal to 10. So the two parts are 15 and 10. Are we clear? Anyone has any doubts here? No. Okay. Okay. If that is the case, okay. Anyone writing, by the way? That also no. Fine. Then if that's the case, I'll move on to the next exercise. The last exercise in quadratic equations.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Come to question number 1. Sharat correct. Jeevan correct. Lahari correct. Vikram correct. Ganavi correct answers. Yeah, Pranav Pai correct. Nandita correct. Prapti correct. Dhanush Hegde, you have to recheck. Sumant correct. Naveen correct. Yeah, correct. Ramesh correct. Kushal correct. Pujashri correct. Shriram correct. Rajit correct. Apurva Jogi correct. Nandita Bhatt correct. Bhargavi incorrect. Akshay, no, you have to recheck. Bhavani Ammar correct. Vikshita correct. Sahana correct. Ramani correct. Gangotri correct. Dhanush Hegde correct. Rachana correct. Done. Kiran correct.
The question number.
We are yet to discuss the answer for this. Correct? Yeah. Pallavi, you're right. Murugesh, correct. Okay. So first we'll discuss the answer for this. Okay. The sum of two numbers is 8. They are given sum as 8. Sum of their squares is 34. So if I consider the number, if one number is considered as x, what would be the other number?
X minus X.
X minus
X minus 8.
8. Yes, sir.
8
Why,
minus
sir?
x. It's 8 minus x, not x minus 8. Correct? So these are the two numbers. Why? Because sum is 8. Sum of their squares. X square plus 8 minus x the whole square equals 34. X square plus a minus b the whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab equals 34. X square plus x square is 2x square minus 16x plus 64 minus 34 equals 0. So 2x square minus 16x plus 30 equals 0. Divide this by 2. X square minus 8x plus 15 equals 0. What are the factors that I get?
So minus 3.
Minus 5 minus 3, correct. Plus 15 equals 0. X into x minus 5 minus 3 into x minus 5 equals 0. We get x minus 5 into x minus 3 equals 0. That is x minus 5 equals 0, x minus 3 equals 0, x is equal to 5, x is equal to 3. So 5 comma 3 or 3 comma 5, option C. Are we clear? If you want to test using option elimination, that also can be done. They are specifically telling sum of the two numbers should be 8. So 7 comma 10 is ruled out. Correct? It's either 4 comma 4, 3 comma 5 and 2 comma 6. Sum of their squares. 4 square is 16, 4 square is 16, 16 plus 16 is 32, but we want 34. 3 square is 9, 5 square is 25, 25 plus 9 is 34. That is what we want. 2 square is 4, 6 square is 36, 40, no. Therefore, option C. Are we clear? That's how we do option elimination. Yes. Those are done with this, you can try question number 2.
The question number, sorry.
Second one. Kiran, Sahana, Kushal, correct answers. Dhanush, you have to recheck. Pujashri, Naveen, Adrut, Pavan, Shriram, Apurva Jogi, and Bhavani Amar. Correct answers. Rajit, Dhanush, Pallavi, Ramesh, Agastya, Rachana, Agastya, till Agastya correct. Rachana, if that is answer for question number 2, you have to recheck. Murugesh correct. Meena correct. Sharat Bhatt, Jeevan, Lahari Acharya, Vikram, Sumant, correct answers. Gangotri correct. Sneha Nayak correct. Akshay Acharya correct. Satvi, Puneet, Mohammad Mirshad, Satvi and Puneet correct. Mohammad Mirshad you have to recheck. Annapurna Nayak correct. Ganavi correct. Pranav Pai correct. Nandita correct. Prapti correct. Amit correct. Nandita Bhatt correct. Shreya Bhatt correct. Vikshita correct. Okay, again, similar. They are telling difference of two positive integers is 3. If one number, if I consider it as x, what would be the other number?
3 plus x.
3 plus x possible, right? For difference between two positive integers. In that case, this is the bigger number and this is smaller number, correct? Sum of their squares, x square plus 3 plus x the whole square equals 89. X square, 3 square 9, x square plus 6x equals 89. X square plus x square 2x square plus 6x plus 9 minus 89 equals 0. 2x square plus 6x minus 80 equals 0. I'll divide this by 2. X square plus 3x minus 40 equals 0. Now, what are the factors?
8 and 5.
8 and 5.
Yes.
Yes. X square plus 8x minus 5x
Minus
minus
5.
40. So, x into x plus 8 minus 5 into x plus 8 equals 0. X plus 8 common into x minus 5 equals 0. X is equal to minus 8. X is equal to 5. So, if x is 5, they are specifically given positive integers. X cannot be minus 8. If x is 5, what is the other number? 3 plus x, which is 8. Okay, are we clear? Yes. So
Yes,
5,
sir.
8. Yeah, 5, 8 is the answer. Those who are writing it, you can complete. Others can come to question number 4. Question number 4. Yes, Vikram, correct. Ganavi, correct. Jeevan, correct. Pavan, correct. Lahari Acharya, correct. Prapti, correct. Dhanush, correct. Prajit, correct. Adruti, you have to recheck. Kushal, correct. Pranav, Pai, correct. Nandita, but correct. Annapurna Naik, correct. Vikshita, be correct. Puneet, correct. Shriram, correct. Sneha Naik, correct. Fatima, correct. Bhavani Ammar, correct. Murugesh, correct. Amit, correct. Sharat, correct. Muhammad Mirshad, you have to recheck. Naveen, correct. No, Adrit, you have to recheck. Perfect question. Very good. Sahana are correct. Okay, fine. We'll quickly discuss the answer for this. Is that Pallavi correct? Bhargavian correct. Now, the area of a rectangle, they have given it to be 2000 square meters. Perimeter is 180 meters. What is perimeter?
The length of the
Length of the
Sides, all the sides put together. Correct. So, can I say it is length plus breadth into 2?
Yes, sir.
Length plus length, breadth plus breadth. So let is length plus breadth into 2. That is how much? How much have they given us? 180 meters. Now, that means length plus breadth will be 180 divided by 2, 90. What is the formula for area?
LB.
Length into breadth is 2000 square meters. Right? So they are asking us to form a quadratic equation. All those are fine. So L plus B is 90. LB is 2000. If L plus B is 90, L will be 90 minus B. So here instead of L, can I write 90 minus B? 90 minus B into B equals 2000. 90 into B is 90B minus B square equals 2000. Bring both onto RHS. B square minus 90B plus 2000 equals 0. How do I simplify this? What are the factors we get?
Sir, 50 and 40.
50 and 40. Very good. B square minus 50b minus 40b plus 2000 equals 0. B into b minus 50 minus 40 into b minus 50 equals 0. B minus 50 into b minus 40 equals 0. So B equals 50 or B equals 40. If B is 50, L is 90 minus 50, 40. If B is 40, L is 90 minus 40, 50. So 40 comma 50. Again, length, so if area has to be 2000, length into breadth has to be 2000. 205 into 80 is not 2000. 60 into 50 is not 2000. It is 50 into 40 only. And 50 plus 40 plus 50 plus 40 is 180 meters. So perimeter also satisfied. Are we clear?
Yes,
This
sir.
is, yeah, this is question number 4. Those who have completed this, question number 5. Question number 5. Yes, Sahana correct. Kushal correct. Vikram, I think it's a typo. Just recheck what you have written. Lahari correct. Jeevan correct. Pavan correct. Sharad correct. Prajit correct. Ganavi correct. Pranav Pai correct. Prapti correct. Yes, Vikram correct. Murugesh correct. Apurva Jogi correct. Annapurna Nayak correct. Fatima correct. Agastya correct. Chetan, you have to recheck. Raksha Hegade correct. Naveen correct. Bhargaviyan correct. Bhavani Ammar correct. Nandita correct. Nandita Bhatt correct. Vikshita correct. Ramesh correct. Fine. So, what have they given us? Two squares have sides p centimeter and p plus 5 centimeters. So we all know squares have same sides, means equal sides. That's why they are called squares. So one square has p centimeter, the other square has p plus 5 centimeters. That's what they have given us. The sum of their squares is 625 centimeters. Then what are the sides of the squares? So if sum of their squares means what? P square plus p plus 5, the whole square, is equal to 625. Squares reference they have given is just for a case scenario, right? It's just to confuse us. We have to just square this, that's all. P square plus a plus b the whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. 2 into 5 is 10 equals 625. P square plus p square is 2p square plus 10p plus 25 minus 625 equals 0. 2p square plus 10p minus 600 is equal to 0. Divide by 2. P square plus 5p minus 300 equals 0. Now, how do I simplify this? Do we get any factors? 20 and minus 15? 20 into
Yes.
15 is
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
20 and minus.
Yes, minus 15p minus 300 equals 0. So p into p plus 20 minus 15 into p plus 20 equals 0. P plus 20 common into p minus 15 equals 0. We get p as minus 20 and p as 15. P cannot be minus 20 because square of a side cannot be negative. So p has to be 15. So the other square would be 15 plus 5. 20. So 15 comma 20. 15 centimeter, 20 centimeter is the answer. 15 square is 225, 20 square 400, both add, we get 625. Are we clear? Anyone writing this? Anyone?
No, sir.
Okay. Fine then. So we have few more questions left in this exercise, which we will discuss in the next class. Okay, we'll continue in the next class. And then we have cubic equation, the last concept. Okay, which we will do it and complete in the next class. Yes, any doubts still here?
No, sir.
No. Okay, fine
No,
then. So
sir.
that's it. We'll continue in the next class, guys. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Bye.
Yes, sir. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you. Business.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good
Good evening. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Very good evening. Hope you're all doing good. Yes, ma'am. Good. Okay. So let's start with the session. In the last class, we were discussing about the different types of market and its features, and I came back to the chapter 1, unit 1 of the chapter 4 again. So we will start from there. So I think you have taken down this, right? Am I right? We were discussing about the concepts of revenue.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes.
So there is total revenue, average revenue, marginal revenue, and then we looked at this. Okay. So total revenue is P into Q, but here directly the revenue is given. So you can see that the total revenue is upward sloping and then it falls down, whereas average revenue and marginal revenue are downward sloping, and marginal revenue can go negative, right? This is what we have seen. This is for the imperfect computation. This is not for the perfect computation. This table and the diagram is about imperfect computation. Are you able to understand? Monopolistic computation will have this kind of a curve. You can see AR and MR curve downward sloping, and AR is above MR, okay, and then TR curve. Initially it increases after a certain point. When MR becomes 0, TR is highest, and once MR is negative, TR goes down. Okay, so you can see an inverted U-shaped curve in TR2. Clear? Whereas in perfect computation, you can see that TR, AR, and MR all, in perfect computation, TR is upward sloping, AR, MR would be horizontal straight line. Let's understand that with the help of a table. Okay, give me a second. Okay, now I want you to take down, make a column, take a table, okay? Quantity, and take down the heading TR, AR, MR in perfect computation. TR, AR, MR in perfect computation. TR, AR, MR in perfect competition. Okay. So make 5 columns. 5 columns. First column is quantity. First column heading quantity. Second column heading price. Third column heading TR, AR and MR. TR, AR and MR. Okay. Now take down quantity 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Quantity 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, two, three, four, five. And price 10. Because it is a single price, it will remain the same throughout for all the quantities. Okay. So let me just write it. quantity, price, TR, AR, MR. Quantity 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Price 10. For all the units, it will be 10. Now you know the formula, right? TR, AR and MR. Complete the table. Okay, Ganavi, I understand. Did you complete?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So, how do you calculate TR?
P into
Into
Q.
Q. Right? 10 into 1, 10. 2 into 10, 20. 30, 40, 50. AR is?
TR divided by Q.
Yes, TR by Q. So 10 by 1, 10. 20 by 2, 10. 30 by 3, 10. 40 by 4, 10. 50 by 5, 10. MR is TR
minus TRN minus 1.
Yes, TR n minus 1. So first thing we will repeat. So 20 minus 10, 10. 30 minus 20, 10. 40 minus 30, 10. 40, 50 minus 40, 10. Now if you draw a diagram. Okay, now if you draw a diagram. Measure quantity on x-axis, TR, AR, MR on y-axis. Draw the diagram. Measure quantity on x-axis, TR, AR, MR on y-axis. And also price. Measure price also on y-axis. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
quantity, I'll write here in the next page. Quantity 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. On y-axis, TR, AR, MR, price, all are measured. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. First, let us calculate TR. 10, 20, 30, 40. Sorry. 10, 20. For third unit, it is 30. For fourth unit, it is 40. For fifth unit, it is 50. So you can see an upward sloping line. And price for first unit 10, second unit 10, third unit 10, fourth unit 10, fifth unit 10. So price is equal to AR, which is equal to MR. AR, average revenue, is always equal to demand in any case, is equal to demand. So now can you see in a perfect computation, AR, MR, demand, AR is demand line everywhere, whether it is perfect computation or imperfect computation. So AR, MR, demand and price all are horizontal straight line. Can you see that? Are you able to understand? Because of the single price, same price, it will remain the horizontal straight line. Now, can you recollect a situation where demand is horizontal straight line? Yes?
Perfectly elastic.
Yes. In price elasticity of demand, we have discussed that a horizontal straight line is perfectly elastic demand. No change in price leads to infinite change in quantity demanded. And I also told you that I can't give you any example because we are not living in a perfectly competitive market. Can you recollect that and connect it? Right? So why did we study that perfectly elastic demand? Because it was there in a perfectly competitive market, not in an imperfect competition. Am I clear to you? Okay. Okay. So now let's go back to this. They have not shown the TR curve. Basically, TR curve is upward sloping straight line and AR, MR curves are horizontal straight line. Price line is also horizontal straight line. Please do remember this. Keep it in mind. Okay. Next is relationship between AR, MR, TR and price elasticity of demand. Okay. This I want to share the textbook explanation. One second. I want you to read this and take down the formula. This we have just now discussed. I hope you are able to understand this. Yes. One second. I want you to read this and take down this formula. MR is equal to AR into E is elasticity of demand, E minus 1 divided by E, where E is price elasticity of demand. Thus, if E is equal to 1, MR is equal to 0. How? AR into 1 minus 1 divided by 1. I want you to write down this. Let me know once you have completed. Take down the heading and then write down this formula because I have to scroll it down further. Completed? Okay. Yeah, you have to tell me. And take down the next two. If A is greater than 1, MR will be positive. If E is less than 1, MR will be negative. If E is greater than 1, MR will be positive. If E is less than 1, MR will be negative. Have you taken on that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me share the PPT now because diagram is more clear. Yes. Look at the diagram. See here. When MR is 0, E is equal to 1. When MR is negative, E is less than 1. When MR is positive, E is greater than 1. Are you able to understand this? The point elasticity of demand we have discussed, right? So on that basis, this is the relationship between MR, AR and elasticity of demand and also TR. TR you see here, the second diagram shows the TR. So when MR is positive, TR is increasing. When MR is 0, TR is at its maximum. When MR is negative, TR is falling down. That's the relationship between MR and TR. Am I clear? So when elasticity of demand is greater than 1, TR is increasing. When elasticity of demand is equal to 1, TR is at its maximum. When elasticity of demand is less than 1, TR is decreasing. Am I clear to you? Okay. Then behavioral principles. These two things you need to remember. One, a firm should not produce at all if its total variable costs are not met. Okay. See, total variable costs are the cost incurred on the variable factor input. Whenever you want to increase the production, you can do so only by increasing the variable factor input in the short run. If that cost is not met, then a firm will be under loss. Okay, so firm should not produce at all if total variable cost is not met. Second one, the firm will be making maximum profits by expanding output to the level where marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost. So when would be the firm enjoying the maximum profit? When MR is equal to MC. When marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost. What do you mean by marginal revenue? Revenue
Additional.
earned by selling an additional output. And what is marginal cost? Expenses incurred by producing an additional output. So when MR is equal to MC, then a firm is enjoying the maximum profit. So you can see here. This is the profit maximization situation. This is the profit curve. So profit is highest at this point. Sorry. Profit is highest at this point. This point is, just look here, which is that? Where MR is equal to MC. From this point, when you drag a line down, you get this point, right? So this is the profit curve. So profit is maximum at this point. Here, MR will be more than MC. Here also you can see the profit, but it is not at the maximum level. And here MC is greater than MR. It means there is loss. So this is the point where the firm will enjoy the maximum profit. Got it? This is about the first unit of the fourth chapter. Are you able to understand? Firm should not produce at all if it is not able to meet the total variable cost, and firm will enjoy the maximum profit when MR is equal to MC. I'm not talking about TR is equal to TC. That is break-even point. MR is equal to MC is maximum profit point. Am I clear? Okay. The next unit is all about doing lot of diagram and very, very important. And the next unit will also help us to understand the ninth unit, balance of payment situation, exchange rate also. That I'll explain when I teach you the ninth unit. Now let's move on to the next unit, second unit. Be ready to draw lot many diagrams. Determination of prices. We start with the perfect computation. Okay. I just want you to look at the table, observe the table, and observe the diagram. Then we will talk about the observation. We will talk about the how the price is determined. I want you to understand the table and the diagram. I'll give you 2 minutes. Because in MCQ paper, many a times a table would be given, diagram would be given, and you are asked to answer on the basis of the question asked on the table and the diagram. So this observation is very important. Okay, do it. I'll give you 2 minutes. You have to observe this table, both the diagrams.
Ma'am, I didn't get the second diagram. When price is 10, the quantity is.
Okay. Let us discuss the table first. See, the price is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Demand units are 60, 35, 20, 15, 10. So it is adhering to the law of demand. As the price is increasing, demand is decreasing. And look at the supply. As price is increasing, supply is increasing. So we get the upward sloping and upward sloping supply curve and downward sloping demand curve. Actually, this first, one second, I'll just show you. This diagram, okay, is the representation of this table. Can you see? So at one price, demand is equal to supply. Which is that?
2.
Yes.
35.
At rupees 2, demand is 35, supply is 35. So this is the equilibrium point. 35 between 30 and 40 is the equilibrium quantity and 2 is the equilibrium price. Are you able to understand? Equilibrium price is that price at which demand and supply will be equaled. Equilibrium quantity is the quantity at which the supply and demand would be equal. So the point at which demand and supply curve intersect is equilibrium. So this is equilibrium point, this is equilibrium quantity, this is equilibrium price. So the moment I say equilibrium, you should not ask whether it is demand or supply, because the moment I say equilibrium, it is about both demand as well as supply. Am I clear to you?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yeah. And see here, this diagram actually clearly shows the other effects. When price increases, see what basically the classical economist says that in the long run, there will always be equilibrium price, because demand and supply forces will work in such a way that it will restore the equilibrium price. In the short run, there would be some changes. See, for example, in the short run, let's say that price increases. Okay, price increases to 3, 4, 5, or in this case, price increases to 15. When price increases, what happens? Supply will be more, demand will be less. See, this is the demand line and this is the supply line. So, demand is only till here. Supply is from here to here. Can you see? Supply
Yes,
being more than demand. Here also you can see 3 at rupees 3. Demand is 20, supply is 45. At rupees 4, demand is 15, supply is 55. At rupees 5, demand is 10, supply is 65. So your supply is much higher compared to demand. When supply is more, demand is less, what happens to the price?
Decreases.
Price decreases. See what happens to the prices of vegetables in the evening in a market? The price decreases because the supply will be there but demand will be less. As the sun sets, the demand will be less. So the supply and demand pressure will be such that this higher price will again come back to the equilibrium price. Are you able to understand? 3, 4, 5 will come back to 2. So what if price decreases? If price decreases from 10 to 5, now you see supply is very less, 5 to here, only till here. Demand is more. When supply is less, demand is more. What happens to the price?
increases.
Yes, price will be pushed back to the equilibrium price. That's what classical economists say. The market will take care of its problems. Demand and supply forces will take care of the problem. So if supply is more, demand is less, then increased price will come back to the equilibrium price. And if demand is more, supply is less, then there will be shortage, which will push the decreased price to the equilibrium price. In any case, in the long run, whether the price has increased or decreased, Finally, it will come back to the equilibrium price. Are you able to understand?
Ma'am, is that price 5, 10, 15, is that imaginary values or what?
Yeah, it is an imaginary value. Right now, the table is an imaginary value, but this imaginary value has also come from the empirical studies.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now, we'll come back to this later because I want you to do it on your own. I will give the situations. I want you to draw the diagram. You know the shift in demand and shift in supply, right? If you want to show increase in demand, increase in supply, how will the curve shift? Do you know? Clear about it? Yeah?
I said rightward, sir.
Yeah, rightward shift shows the increase, leftward shift shows the decrease. But in demand, rightward is upward. But in supply, rightward is downward. Right? So now, let us discuss the changes in demand and supply. There are many cases, okay? Okay. I will just draw basic demand and supply shifts. This is demand. Let's say original demand curve. I want to show increase in demand. Where should I draw it? Upward. D1. I want to show decrease in demand. Downward. D2. This is original supply. I want to show increase in supply. Downward. But it is rightward. Decrease in supply. Leftward, but it is upward. I hope you are clear with this concept. Okay. Now take down the first case. Case 1. Case 1. Supply being constant. Take down supply being constant when demand increases. For all these cases, first you have to draw this. Increase, decrease happens when you draw the original demand and supply curve, right? So this is the original demand and supply curve. This is the original equilibrium point. E. This is Q. This is P. Okay. Now, I'm telling you the demand is increasing. Okay. So now demand curve shift towards right. Demand curve shift towards right. Now what happens? You get a new equilibrium point. Quantity increases. Price also increases. Can you see this? Price increases. Quantity increases. You get a new equilibrium point. So after the case, draw this diagram, and on the right hand side or left hand side, wherever you have drawn the diagram, just write the result. What is the result? New equilibrium at E1. Price and quantity both increase. Price and quantity both increase. Are you able to understand this diagram and this case? Supply being constant, when demand increases, both price and quantity will increase. Let me know once you have once you have completed the diagram and the result. Then we will move on to case 2. Case 2. Shall I dictate the case 2?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Case 2. This I will keep it as a reference for you. Okay. Case 2. Supply being constant when demand decreases. Supply being constant when demand decreases. Draw the diagram and write down the result. Let me know once you have completed. Have you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes, you need some time? So supply being constant when demand decreases, what happens?
Price and
Quantity
quantity
decreases.
decrease.
You have to draw original demand and original supply. Price, quantity. Now demand decreases. So price and quantity both decrease. Am I clear? Okay. See, the question will come on this concept, so you have to have a conceptual clarity. Next, case 3. Case 3. Demand being constant when supply increases. Demand being constant when supply increases. Not done? Completed? You have to
Yes,
tell
sir.
me. Okay. So what is the result?
It increases, price decreases.
Demand being constant when supply increases. Quantity increases, price decreases. Okay, good. Next, case 4. Case 4. Demand being constant when supply decreases. Demand being constant when supply decreases.
Ma'am, did you mean demand being constant, supply decreases?
Yeah. Demand being constant when supply decreases.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. So what is the result?
Price increases.
Price increase, quantity
Decreases, quantities decrease.
Price increases and quantity decreases. Good. Next, case 5. Case 5. Both demand and supply increase. Demand, supply. Now both of them increase. Okay, this is the original quantity, original equilibrium, original price. Now both of them increase. Increase in demand is shown by upward sloping, upward shift, rightward shift but upward shift. Increase in supply is rightward shift but downward shift. What is the result? Look at the new equilibrium, S1 and D1. Everybody, pay attention. Look at the diagram, pay attention. In this case, the new equilibrium case, the price has remained the same. But in your diagram, it need not be. It depends on the shift in demand and shift in supply. Okay, the gap you have given. So, please remember, quantity will definitely increase. In this case, when both demand and supply increases, quantity will definitely increase. Price may increase or decrease or may remain unchanged. Got it? So in few of the diagrams, if you get a price line above P, correct. Price line below P, correct. Price line as equal to P, right. So all these diagrams are correct as long as you have drawn upward shifting demand curve, downward shifting supply curve to show the increase in demand and supply, and your quantity would definitely increase. Am I clear to you? Raksha, are you able to understand? Okay, good. Got it? Understood this case 5? Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I move on to the next case? Okay, case 6. Case 6. Both demand and supply decrease. Both demand and supply decrease. Draw the diagram and write the result. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the formula.
Price
P
may increase or decrease or remain unchanged, and the
quantity.
quantity increases.
Yes. Price may, the change in price is ambiguous. That's not very clear. It may increase, it may decrease, or it may remain unchanged, but quantity will definitely decrease. Good. Next, case 7. Case 7. Demand increases and supply decreases. I repeat, demand increases and supply decreases. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me what happens in this case?
Price
Price
increases,
Price
increases,
increases, quantities decrease or
remain
increase or remain unchanged.
Yes. In this case, the change in price is obvious, but change in quantity cannot be determined. So, price will definitely
Increase.
increases because demand has increased and supply has decreased. So, price will definitely increase. Quantity may increase or decrease or may remain unchanged. Okay. Last case, case 8. Case 8. Decrease in demand and increase in supply. Decrease in demand and increase in supply. Completed?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Adrit. If you have a class from the college, I think you can attend that. Okay, what's the result now?
Price decreases and quantity may increase, decrease,
Yes. Correct. Price will definitely decrease. Quantity may increase or decrease or may remain unchanged. Clear with the changes? Okay, when a question is asked on this, so quickly you can draw the diagram and figure it out what is happening. Okay. Okay, so now all that we have discussed is about second unit. Second unit is all about these 8 cases. That's it. So with this, the second unit is over. But anyway, I want you to read this and look at the diagram and understand. If you have any doubt, ask me. I will keep the slide for a minute. Okay. And if you have a doubt, you can ask me. So basically, these two diagram talks about supply being constant. This shows supply being constant, increase in demand. Supply being constant, decrease in demand. Demand being constant, increase in supply. Demand being constant, decrease in supply. Correct? Simultaneous change in demand and supply. See here, this diagram basically talks about one thing. Both demand and supply increases, but I told you in simple form, right? Price may increase, price may decrease, or price may remain unchanged, but quantity will definitely increase. This thing, they have shown it with the 3 diagrams. In this case, price has remained unchanged, quantity increases, price increases, quantity increases, price decreases, quantity increases. Common is increase in quantity. Price may increase, price may decrease, or may remain unchanged. So I put it that in one single sentence. That's it. The same thing is shown in 3 different diagrams. Clear? So this is about the same thing happens with the other cases too. Decrease in demand, supply and supply increases, demand decreases, supply decreases and demand increases. So we have discussed all the 8 concepts, all the 8 cases. With this, we have completed the second unit of the 4th chapter. Do you have any doubt? Clear with the concept? Great. So now we will move on to the next one. One second. We will move on to unit 3. of the concepts in Unit 3 is already discussed. We are just going to cover those concepts that has not been discussed. Price and output determination under different market forms. Features of perfect competition we have already discussed. Equilibrium in the industry level discussed. How an individual seller gets the price is also discussed. Now we are going to discuss about the conditions of equilibrium and short-run profit maximization. Okay, this concept. One second. This concept, to understand this concept, first I will tell you what are the conditions. I will draw a different kind of a diagram which you need not have to draw, but you have to understand. After that, we will come back to this diagram. Is that okay? Okay. Be it any market, whether it is perfect competition, imperfect competition, any market, there are few conditions. Okay. For the profit maximization, one is MR is equal to MC. One is MR is equal to MC. Second one, sorry, MC should be, this you can write down, conditions of equilibrium. Heading is conditions of equilibrium. This you can write down. MC should be increasing. Third one, MC should cut MR curve from below. Fourth one, price should be greater than or equal to minimum of AVC, or sometimes we will write as AC also. We will not draw too many curves. To avoid that, we will draw only AC curve. So minimum of AVC. These are the four conditions. Please take this down first. Have you taken down?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
I will draw the diagram. You know that in perfect computation, price line is equal to AR as well as MR, right? So I will draw three price lines, P, P1 and P2. And we have seen in the production and cost concept that MC curve is U-shaped. MC curve. Okay. And then I will draw AC curve because it will have both AVC and AFC. So short run marginal cost, short run average cost. Okay. Now I will write this as an equilibrium point E1 and this is Q1. I will point this as another equilibrium point E2. This is Q2. Okay. Now let us understand why these 2 points are equilibrium points. The conditions are given here, right? Let's see whether these conditions are fulfilled in this diagram and on these points. So MR should be equal to MC. See here, this is MC curve and this is MR curve. The moment the two curves intersect each other, it means that those two variables are equal, right? When demand intersects supply, are you able to understand? When demand
Yes, ma'am.
intersects supply, that point is equilibrium point. So when MR curve intersects MC curve, so intersect means passing through, okay? So then it is equilibrium. So here, in this case, first condition, this is MC curve, this is MR curve, both of them intersect. So the first condition is fulfilled. Second condition, MC should not be decreasing after the intersection, after the equilibrium point. So is it increasing? Is it decreasing? Is it decreasing? I'm asking a question.
No.
No, it is
No.
increasing. So second condition is fulfilled. Third one, MC should not cut MR curve, okay, from above. It should cut MR curve from below, okay. MC should cut MR curve from below. Can you see it is cutting from below? Third condition is fulfilled. Fourth one, price should be greater than or equal to minimum of AVC. This is the price line. This is the AC line. So both have intersected. It means that P is equal to AC. That is also okay. So all the conditions are fulfilled. So this is an equilibrium point. Are you able to understand?
Yes.
Let's check with this. Why did I call this as another equilibrium point? MC should be equal to MR. Happening, this is MR because this is AR MR, right? So first condition fulfilled. Second condition, MC should not be decreasing or MC should be increasing. Yes, MC is increasing. Second condition is fulfilled. Third condition, MC should cut MR curve from below. That is also happening. So the third condition is fulfilled. Fourth condition, price should be greater than or equal to average cost. At this point, this is the price line, this is the cost line. Which is higher?
Price line.
Price line. So price should be greater than or equal to. Here it is equal, here it is greater. So all the 4 conditions are fulfilled. So this is also another equilibrium point. Okay. Now let us know there are other points which are not equilibrium point and why is it so? See here, can you see one point here? Why did I not consider that as an equilibrium point? Just check. First condition, MC should be equal to MR. Yes, fulfilled. MC should be increasing. Yes, fulfilled. Third condition, MC should cut MR from below. That is also fulfilled. Then why is it not an equilibrium point? The fourth condition, price should be greater than or equal to the ABC or AC. Here is a price line and here is an AC curve. Which is higher?
AC.
AC cost.
So when you know that your cost is greater than the price, when you know that you are definitely going to incur loss, will you produce?
No.
So this is not an equilibrium point. Okay. Let's check this point. MC should be equal to MR. First condition is fulfilled. Second condition, MC should not be decreasing. But what's happening here?
It is decreasing.
Second condition is not fulfilled. Third one, MC should cut MR curve from below. But what is happening here?
Cutting from above.
Above. So third condition is not fulfilled. Fourth one, MC should be greater than or equal to, sorry, price should be greater than or equal to minimum of AC. Here is a price line and here is an AC line. Which is greater?
AC.
So except the first condition, all other conditions are not fulfilled. So this is also not an equilibrium point. Are you able to understand? Clear with the concept?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, great. Okay, now you see, classical economists also say that you can derive a supply curve from these equilibrium points. P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, E1, E2, E3, E4, E5, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5. Okay? Can you see this? Now, I want you to ignore other lines and only consider that which I am marking it in dark blue. Mute yourself if you're not talking to me. Mute yourself.
Mom, should we write this?
No. I'm just showing you. Anyway, it is in the PPT. It is in your textbook. Okay, I'm just showing you. Consider only the blue lines. Ignore the red lines. Okay? Or I can draw a miniature of that. E1, E2, E3, E4, E5. Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5. P1, P2, P3, P4, P5. When you look at this diagram, what comes to your mind? Any other concept that comes to your mind?
Supply curve.
Very good. Is it not a supply curve?
Yes.
As price increases, quantity supplied increases. Right? So, the classical economists say that when you join the equilibrium points which are on an MC curve, basically it talks about supply. So you can derive supply curve from MC, from equilibrium situation 2, concepts 2. Are you clear? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Could you repeat?
See, this diagram looks like a supply curve, right?
Yes, ma'am.
How did I derive it? From the equilibrium curves.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? So, this upward sloping MC curve also represents supply. Equilibrium points. When you add the equilibrium points, you are actually representing supply.
Okay, ma'am. Got it.
Yes. Clear? Okay, that is what is shown in the textbook. I'll just show you. This we have already discussed. This is the profit maximization. They have just shown it in one equilibrium point. Now you see, you get that. How short run supply curve of the competitive market is formed through MC curves. Can you see that? Are you able to understand this diagram?
Yes,
Everybody?
yes, ma'am.
Everyone? So as price increases, quantity supplied will also increase. How did we get that supply curve? From upward sloping MC curve when you join the equilibrium points. Am I clear? Okay. Next is, okay, before I move on to that, see, in a common man terms, the business have only two situations. One is profit and another one is loss. Right? In common man terms, business has only two situations. One is profit. When do you make profit? When income earned is more than money spent in producing a product. Right? When your cost is less than the revenue. Or when your revenue is more than the cost, you earn the profit. When is loss?
Cost
Revenue
is
less
more
than
Cost
than
is more
Yes.
than the revenue.
When the cost is more than the revenue. The cost is, the loss is when the cost is more than the revenue. Okay. But in economics, we have three situations. One is abnormal or supernormal profit. Let me write that. One is abnormal or supernormal profit. This is true for all kinds of market, whether it is oligopoly, duopoly, monopoly, monopolistic competition, perfect competition, for all kind of markets. But we'll start the discussion with the perfect competition. So first one is abnormal or supernormal profit. Second one is normal profit. Third one is loss. Okay. What we call as profit in common man terms, that is abnormal or supernormal profit in economics. What do you mean by that? When your revenue is greater than cost. You have spent 50 rupees in producing a product, but you have earned 100 rupees. Then what is the profit? What is the profit?
50.
That is abnormal or supernormal profit. Normal profit is, which we usually do not mention in a common man terms, when revenue is equal to cost. Okay? When revenue is equal to cost, it is called normal profit. Okay? You have spent 50 rupees. You have spent 50 rupees in producing a product and you have earned 50 rupees by selling a product. So what is your profit?
Normal.
Zero.
Yes. Zero profit level is known as normal profit. You know why is it called normal profit? Is it loss? No. But is it actually profit? No. But still, it will not push you to leave the market. Because you are not under loss. You still try to continue your luck. You still want to be in the market as a producer because you are able to cover up all your costs. Right? So that is called normal profit, where the profit level is actually zero. Am I clear? And the next one is loss. This is like any other terms, when revenue is less than cost. You have spent 50 rupees in producing a product and you have earned 30 rupees. Then you have a loss of
20.
20. Are you able to understand? So there are three situations in economics: normal profit, abnormal profit, and loss. Am I clear? Any
Yes,
doubt?
ma'am.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So now let us look at these situations in each market, from perfect competition to imperfect competition. Okay. First, I will draw supernormal profit. Okay. I want everybody to draw it along with me. Otherwise, you will not be able to understand the diagram also. I know that you won't get diagrams in the exam. You are not asked to draw the diagrams. But the problem is, oh, did I share it? One second. Give me a second. I'll just. Okay. Now, let us draw supernormal profit in case of perfect competition. So please take down the heading perfect competition, put a hyphen, supernormal profit. Perfect computation, put a hyphen, supernormal profit. Draw the diagram along with me. Draw x-axis and y-axis. Draw x-axis and y-axis. Did you draw?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you have to draw a price line, AR line, MR line, which are all same in perfect computation. So I am drawing P, which is equal to AR, which is equal to MR. Draw this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Okay. Now draw MC curve like this. MC curve. Now draw MC curve like this. Let me know once you have completed.
Done, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I will draw an AC curve above price line. I will draw an AC curve. I'm drawing supernormal profit, right? So I'm drawing an AC curve below price line. Okay, it will start from above, but it will go like this. AC. Got it? Draw the diagram.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you draw the diagram?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now everybody, now it is very, very important. We have to look into 2 points. Remember, the point at which MR is equal to MC will help you to find out equilibrium. Okay? MR is equal to MC will help you to find out equilibrium. But AR and AC curves position. AR and AC curves position will talk about the level of profit or loss. AR and AC curves position will talk about profit and loss. Now, first let us identify equilibrium point. Be with me. This is very important, little complicated but very important. I am making it as simple as possible. So just concentrate and draw as I instruct. This is MC curve and this is MR curve. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
This point is the equilibrium point. This point is the equilibrium point. From that point, drag a line to x-axis and write Q. This is O, so this is Q. Did you all draw?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, when you drew the line from equilibrium point to x-axis, it has passed through AC curve. Can you see that? It has passed through AC curve. Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
At point, drag a line to y-axis. I will name it R and S. R and S. Did you complete till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you get a rectangle box, right? Shade it. That is super normal profit or abnormal profit. Because PE is on AR and MR curve, right? Revenue curve. So PE is revenue or OPER. OPER is revenue. And R is on AC curve. Can you see that? R is on AC curve. Is it on AR curve? MR curve?
No,
It is
no.
on cost, AC curve. So now SR or OSRQ. OSRQ is cost. Which is greater?
OPER.
OPER.
Yes. See, PE is higher than SR, right? OPER is larger than OSRQ, right? So your revenue is greater than cost. So it is supernormal profit. What is the share of supernormal profit? SPER is supernormal profit, this shaded area.
Excuse me.
SPER. Yes, please.
Ma'am, isn't it OPEQ?
No.
The revenue.
Revenue is OPEQ. OPEQ is revenue. OSRQ is cost. So when you deduct the cost from revenue, what is left? SPER, that is supernormal profit.
Okay, ma'am, because you've written there OPER, so I got.
Sorry, OPEQ. Correct. OPEQ is revenue. OSRQ is cost. SPER is supernormal profit because your revenue is above cost. Revenue is more than cost. Let me know once you have completed or once you have understood the diagram or once you have completed the diagram, whatever. Are you able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Always remember that MR and MC curves are important to know the equilibrium. Only when you know the equilibrium point, you will drag a line to the x-axis. That's when it will pass through the cost curve. That's how you get the cost concept. But AR and AC curves are important to determine the level of profit. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's go back to this diagram. And tell me what kind of profit it is. Is anywhere written here? Supernormal profit. Take a minute to observe the diagram. Okay. Now, normal profit. See here. Sorry. I will not draw the diagram, but I'll just show you how it is a normal profit. Okay. P is the price line where AR is equal to MR, MC curve, and ATC is nothing but average total cost or AC curve. Now, MC has cut the MR curve in this point. So this is the equilibrium point. Can you see this? Okay. From that line, we have drag a line to x-axis. That is the level of output produced. And then you can see an AC curve which has touched the AR curve exactly at the point of equilibrium. Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now OPEQ is cost. OPEQ is revenue. It means that cost is equal to revenue. Do you get any kind of a rectangular box or anything here, an extra additional one?
No.
So
No,
your
ma'am.
level of profit is 0. So this diagram shows the normal profit. Am I clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody, are you able to understand this diagram?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I move on to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay. Loss. Look at the diagram. We have price line. P is equal to AR is equal to MR. MC curve. And AC curve is above the price line. AC curve is above the price line. Okay. Now, the point at which price line or MR is equal to MC, that is equilibrium point. So from that point, we have dragged a line to x-axis and also we have extended this line up to the AC curve. Up to the AC curve. Now, you can see that OPEQ is the revenue because this is your AR line too. And OABQ is the cost. So PE is revenue, AB is cost. Which is greater?
The cost.
Cost.
Yes. OABQ is greater than OPEQ. So PABE is loss. Are you able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So these are the three situations in perfect computation. In the imperfect computation also, it will be the same. Only difference is the shape of the curves. Here we have AR and MR curve as the same one line. Whereas in the imperfect computation, you will have MR and AR as two different lines. Anyway, the imperfect computation, we will discuss it in my next class, that is tomorrow at 7:15. But are you able to understand these three situations in perfect competition?
Ma'am, in all the profits and losses, MC curve doesn't change, right? Only the AC curve changes.
Yes. Perfect. Yes. Position of the AC curves basically talks about the level of profit or loss. Okay. Mute yourself if you're not talking to me. See here, if your AC curve is below AR curve, super normal profit. If AC curve is equal to AR curve, normal profit. If AC curve is above AR curve, then loss. Am I clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, can normal profit be called as break-even point?
No. I mean, normal profit is actually break-even point, but the difference is in break-even point, we consider TR and TC curves.
Okay, ma'am.
So, but basically, shutdown point, normal profit, break-even point, all are same. Where level of profit is 0, okay,
Yes.
where cost is equal to revenue.
Thank you,
Am I
ma'am.
clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We will discuss about the the other concepts like profit, normal profit, and supernormal profit and loss in monopoly competition in monopoly market in the next class. Okay, so clear with the perfect competitive market?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
great. Thank you so much for listening to me. See you in my next class. That is tomorrow at 7:15. We get a continuous class. It is good so that I can finish off this unit. Tomorrow we are going to finish this unit. Okay. Thank you so much. Take good care of yourself. Good night.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.